Come on along.
Red oak. That's red oak. He'll be here for a while. Josh. Oh, I missed it. Shh, whisper. I'm probably wrong. It's probably was that spot. Some more sites, I guess. Yeah, we'll go back to that spot. Just drive back in, I guess. I'm right over there. I guess this is nothing compared to up north. Except that's a lot of softwood, it's all hardwood. Amazing. Yeah, he must have just left with a load, that's why there's a lot on the road. An hour early maybe. The other two aren't even here yet. Yeah, which way? Stay this way. There it is. Fleece. I think. Good thing it's dry. Let's lock these in, eh? case, you can shut that out.
Well guys, I told you. How in the hell? Oh, I know how he did that one. That was uprooted. Cut it off and stump went back down. I told you it was pretty bad up here. See how everything's leaning in one direction? Tomatoes don't do that. High winds do that. I'm out on a job where I'm hoping. I gotta be honest with you, because that's me. We got this 133 sitting here. You've seen it before. I was out here yesterday and checked stuff out, and I got some stuff. I got a thermostat and a gasket and whatever. It's got a 60-68 in it, and it's getting hot. Yeah, this thing is, I got a zillion hours on the engine. A gazillion. It's more than a zillion, it's a gazillion. And so I'm gonna tip the cab, get in there, change the thermostat, fire it up. I think it's the thermostat only for one reason. I hope it ain't a head gasket. Number one, there was no oil in the belly, or in the downstairs, as they call it, in the oil. There was no antifreeze down there. And I brought my pressure gauge along to hook onto the radiator, fired it up, and it's not building any pressure, any compression into the cooling system. So, and I opened the water valves to the heater core in the cab. Wouldn't get hot. It had a place for it to go, if you follow that theory. As soon as I closed the water valves, go into the cab, into the fan in the cab, and temperature started climbing. So let's hope, cross your fingers, it's just the damn thermostat not opening properly. So I got parts yesterday, and here it is Saturday afternoon, and I could give I'm just gonna get up here and do what I gotta do, because that's what I gotta do. I couldn't sit on my ass at home anymore. I did an air conditioner this morning on a semi. Did one last night. Just gotta get out and keep moving. Gotta keep moving, man. Alright, I'll bring you back when I'm up there. There's one big inherent problem with this situation. They give you a nice tool rest here. The AC compressor is mounted right outside of the thermostat housing. So I gotta remove the AC, flop it out of my way to change that. And I gotta crawl my body in here because I'm too short. So I gotta squeeze in this door opening or hang my ass over the top. But I think if I remember, I usually just squeeze my ass down and through that hole, and we'll go from there. See what happens, huh? See that? I do still fit in here. I put that on 5 of 2018, so I was in here a year ago. Why didn't I change the thermostat then? Oh well. See what I mean by tools now? Everything. I've been in these things before, so trust me. Look behind me, I'm crunched in here, and I got my snap-on pad up against this so I don't end up with a bruised up chest. You gotta minimize your problems when you get aged. You know what I mean, boys? That's just fun. Fun stuff, eh? 4 bolts, AC's out of the way. And then we'll go from there. Even remember the side cutters for the zip ties. You get like a mechanical mind, you kind of wonder once in a while why, how come you just, whatever. Yeah, that son of a bitch is right down there behind all that stuff. Alright, if I remember right, it's a 13. Could be a 12. You gotta have metric and standard up here. Oh, there's steel pokies there. Wonderful. Grunt with me now. Can you all grunt with me? It's like Captain Kangaroo. Say it with me, boys and girls. Numero uno. Hey, and that's got a wire holder on it. Wonder if we'll forget that later on. That's the parts distribution center. Shit! I forgot to loosen the belt up. Oh well. I think there's a stupid nut down on this one. Maybe it'll stay put today. Feels like she's gonna. Oh, yep. It's in my fender, now we can drop it, I suppose. Oh. Ho! Got lucky. Parts are over here, Mike. Okay. I got my own belt removal trick for these things. If I can get it in there. Ouch! Go figure. Bracket in my way. Oh, I have to go outside of there. Come on, you fucker. Oh yeah, I think it's back there. Maybe not. Maybe we'll do it the proper way. 15 or 16. Looks like the one. You're the one. I'm gonna shut you off while I swear a while, okay? I got it out. I don't know how long it took me, but I swore a few times. I got the whole bracket and everything. You gotta take that water tube line and crossovers to the water pump. I gotta go down on the truck and put a new grommet in there. Get it all cleaned up. Start putting her back together. Yeehaw. Fun, fun. Gotta let your breath out. Wow. Just gotta clean off the surface. I can't see you. Oh well. Well, that's it. I'm in here for one last go around. It's all back together. Just got to put the belt on. I'm going to bring you out. You got to let a breath of air out to get out of here. At least I do. That's fun. That's fun. I'm just going to put the belt back on and start cleaning up my tools. And we're going to put some radiator fluid in there. What do we call that? Antifreeze, eh? What a son of a buck. Son of a buck, son of a buck. In all the grooves, yep. That's it. She's in all the grooves. 10% antifreeze. Time to put you down. Time to go up yonder and check for leaks. I'm gonna try to warm her up now. I got the cab sitting up a little bit because if I gotta get back in that cover, the cab is all the way down, it'll hit the damn back window. You can tell the door will fly open. A little kitty wampus. And here we go. If I can do this without the doors are heavy. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. Now I'm at 125 degrees. Fire up the here. And just steer blow down. You can use it for a digger too. Bob's puppy getting into any antifreeze, so I spilled a little bit. I spilled just a little bit. We'll grind her in a little bit. See that? I think that's every logger's trick. I can't show you that. Look at that shit. Still with me? Let's see what the hell I'm doing, huh? See if that saw works. Just trying to build up a little temperature. They're tough old machines, that's what I know. This is, I think I've told you guys that. This is a 1999, it was the third one made. I think somebody ought to offer Bob about $1 million for it. Get out of there, Mike. I need a magnet. Time to go to Walmart and get a magnet. Yeah. Anyways, I'm just watching. We're up to 173. We're about ready to, if she starts overheating, I'm going to shut her down. It's 189 degree thermostat, so let's see where she likes to run. Like I said, it may be that, it may be a head gasket, it may be this thing. 1159 hours when I put this updated control system in with this super grips and the new pods and the brand new computer. And I want to say it had 28,000 or 24,000 or I don't remember. It had a lot of hours on this machine. Put her 180. Cross your fingers. Cross your fingers, man. She starts creeping up in the 200s. I gotta make a phone call that I don't want to. Makes any sense to you boys? I'm gonna put it back, just for now. caution. Oop. That's supposed to cut towards you. It's old school, but it's good school. If only I could remember what the hell what buttons I had to push. Come on, there we go, all open. I want all open. Where's all open? Number 4, here we go. So number 4 over here is going to be, number 1 should be all closed. Just like Logger Wade. Except this is Canary, not Brutus. Oh, Tweety Bird. I'm going to call this Tweety Bird just for Logger Wade. Say hello. You can't just walk away from it thinking you're done. You know that, you mechanical people. Gotta get her hot. Shit, yeah, she's working. I just saw the thermostat open on the dial. It's going between 190 and 186. Ooh, sweet! So I'm gonna putz around here a little more and I hope you just enjoy it. That means the engine is good. We don't have to go into it. Like I said earlier, this is one old son of a gun with, and I was looking in the John Deere website yesterday trying to find the part number for the thermostat and the gasket, and I looked up a 6068 all the way back to non-compliance engines, and I looked at all the pictures and every one had a turbo. So I don't wonder if somebody just, when they built this thing, they said, oh, we don't have a turbo, let's leave it off. I don't know. There is no turbo on this engine. I know Logger Wade doesn't believe me, but there is not a turbo on this engine. Maybe somebody else knows something more than I do. Maybe they had them in who knows what. All these heads like to creak. Let's see what the old hydraulic temperature is up to. 85, main filter, it says check. Interesting. Maybe I didn't connect the wire too, but I think we're alright. back to my engine temperature. Maybe I should hit that nice Ford. Where did you go? Oh yeah, she's got the clean fix fan on her too. You guys saw us put that on last year, I think. Moving a little bit here. Yeah, I ain't gonna be satisfied until I get a couple of cycles here of that temperature. Yep, she's working just fine. Thermostat's open and closing, and I can see it into not opening and closing, but it's throttling. It's doing what it's supposed to. She's going from 191 to 186. And I don't just do this shit for anybody. This is Bob Robert. Saturday afternoon fun. Good deal. Where'd you go? There you are. So I'm basically going to park her out. Park her. Park her out, man. Have some fun. Man, for being an old engine at 82 psi oil pressure, see that 191? Now watch her. Look at that. I'd say we're doing all right. I just can't leave well enough alone. See? 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 Got her under a steady load and she's yeah, I'm glad he got it out where I could work on it when he did. He saw the temperature going up the other day to, I think what he said, 250, 240, 250. So, and like I said, I don't do this for everybody. And them other guys, I did some AC work on this morning on 2 trucks. Well, one in my pajamas last night in the shop. Look at that devastation. Devastating. White oak. Yeah, devastation. This whole road that I'm on, there's crews upon crews just filed in here. Alright, I'm gonna shut her down. I think this was a success. A success story. Make my day. I was going to come out here on Sunday morning and listen to the polkas and do this, but I was in one of those modes where I thought, well, I'm going to go out there now because I'm already dirty. Maybe I'll leave Sunday for something else like editing. Editing. You know what editing is? Editing. Editing. What do I want to do now? Oh, shut it off. Oh, yeah. Hey, we'll see you guys. Oh, wait, I'm going to show you some more stuff I did on this machine. Better go home. Yeah, standby 360. This, if you ever got 15 grand to give Cat for that computer in this system, it comes with new pods, and you got to have these already, but it's pretty much plug and play, and I do them. It's only 5 hours, so does Cat. Makes the machine new again. So, what else am I going to show you? Whoa, there goes that 400,000 pound door. I don't know about you guys, but I always shut the masters off. Anyhow, I'm going to tell you another story. You guys like stories, don't you? I'm going to close up the toolbox here. Oh, it won't close. Because I'm a jackwagon. I put a piece of wood there. Son of a buck. I'll be right back. So I'm back. You guys ever see a bumper sticker like this? We'll log for love. We put that on there when Lee, the other guy, used to operate this every day. He opened that up and got a kick out of that. No, what I was going to tell you is so peaceful out here. This old style undercarriage is old. It used to be what they call O&K. And I don't remember where they made them, in Spain or whatever, when Fabtek was first making it. This one, a 133, is actually narrower than a 153. But, so another guy in Wisconsin come up with a way, because the final drives, the O&Ks, you can't get anymore, or if you could, they're just supremely expensive. So the other cats, the 501s and all that, had these bond figs. I shouldn't say that. The later models had these bond figs. So there was a guy here that engineered that whole thing. And so in order to keep this thing from the scrapyard, I could maybe show you guys pictures someday. We cut that whole end off the propel motors are the same, and then you can update this smaller, lighter undercarriage with parts that are actually available. You got to buy a new sprocket, and you got to buy this, and all that fabricated parts, and then we make new covers. Yeah, we did all this about 5-6 years ago. This is my work here. This covers we made. Welded that whole thing on. See if my welds are any good. Yeah, they still look okay. So we do that in my shop too. We did. There's not much call for it anymore. I think they're scrapping a lot of these things. But yeah, it's a cool project. Get everything lined up. Jack it up, take the tracks off. Cut that right off. That end frame. I guess now it's about 30 grand to do that, mostly for parts. Those drives, they used to be $7,000, and now they're just, cat's just astronomical. They won't give you a deal. It's just, there's other guys that can buy them. I don't know. We'll find out a source for them, but yeah, if you ever need one updated and you're looking to save your machine from the boneyard, let me know. Yeah, this is number 3. Number 3 ever made. So, the only thing left that we haven't replaced is the engine. That's why both the operator, the owner, and I were so concerned about it. Because he's got lots and lots and lots of hours on it. But he's semi-retired, so it works for him just fine. Right, Bob? Right. Alright. I'm going to bid you all bon voyage. Make a phone call or a text to him, tell him everything is good and he can roll in on Monday and check the... He's got all the bolts and stuff in his truck, so he can check the antifreeze one more time and put her to work. See you, bye. Thanks for watching.